Coupons in AccessAlly are one of my favorite functionalities. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how I use it to test setup and how I specifically do this when I do delivery calls for the membership launchbox for my clients. And I show them how a student would sign up to their course or their membership and the experience that they will have. So what we're going to do is we're going to quickly create a 100% discount coupon code, and we're going to apply it to another page, and you're going to see what happens. That's basically what I do when I deliver a call. So here I go to AccessAlly products, and then I go to promos. And then in promos, we're going to create a new promotion here. So I'm going to call it coupon test. So you basically have two modes for a coupon, but here for the purpose of this video, we're just going to go through the simple mode. You can select which offers it applies to. And here we're just going to go all offers because we're just testing this. Then here you can decide if you want to be a discount amount or a percentage. So we're going to go percentage, and I'm going to say 100%. And then here I'm going to say, yeah, it's got to be a coupon. Did you see this here? CRM activated coupon. That means that you can also create coupons that are activated by email. So they are unique to every single member. So that is pretty cool. So you can also have a start time and a end time date, so you can like have coupons that are good only for a period of time. I'm not going to do that. Then you give it a code. So I'm just going to call it Nat Rocks. Why not? Not for Nathalie Lucier, not me, the founder of AccessAlly. Then you can also limit the number of time the coupon can be used. So for example, if you only have 10 licenses or 20 people that you want to have join at a specific price, then you can do that. I'm just going to leave it as -1 and click save. So now that I have this coupon, Nat Rocks, I'm going to visit an order form. So this is an example of an order form. So it's actually a two-step order form. I'll show you that in another video. But right now, let's just say I'm going to enter an email address. I'm going to click next. And then here I get to the second part where I should enter my billing information. So it says it's 500, but with my coupon, it's going to reduce it to 0, but I'm still going to experience the same thing, right? So when I do my delivery calls, I just do that. I still have to fill out this information. So my address, things like that. Then here, by checking this box, you agree to the purchase conditions. So that's a really cool feature I love too. And then I'm just going to click on Pay Now. So what's going to happen now is the person gets added to AccessAlly and then logged in and redirected to this page. And now if I click on Access the Course, I'm going to be logged in as this new person. It also just sent me an email that says I've just made a sale. So that's another cool feature where you can be notified. I really love this. Then I am in. So now if I go to my orders and subscriptions as this new person, you can see that I have purchased this course on that date. And of course, this is the amount. So if it was a subscription, I would see the details here. But really what I wanted to show you is the coupon and how powerful that is, because you can quickly test things, right? You don't have to enter a credit card. But then if you want to use a coupon for a limited time, or if you want to limit the number of people that can use it, then you can totally do that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, you can click on the button below so you can be notified when I put up new videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.